Hey there, friends. As the holidays approach, many of us are craving those classic comfort foods that remind us of home. Mashed potatoes, warm casseroles, and those sweet family favorite desserts. But what if I told you we could keep all that cozy goodness without the toxic ingredients or cookware that sneak into so many kitchens this time of year? Now, today I'm going to show you how to give your favorite comfort foods a healthy, toxin free makeover using safer cookware, cleaner ingredients, and even essential oils to elevate the flavor naturally. So let's start where most comfort food begins, and that's the cookware. Now, many traditional nonstick pans contain PFAS, sometimes called the forever chemicals. Now, these chemicals can leach into your food when heated, but there are safe, beautiful alternatives. I love using my stainless steel pans, but you can also use a cast iron. They cook evenly, last forever, and keep those hidden toxins out of your food. Now, if you're purchasing a new one, make sure to use the Bobby Approved app to confirm there are no hidden toxins. And I'll link where you can find this app in the description. Now, if you need to transition slowly with changing out your cookware, start by replacing just one pan that you use most often. Maybe your frying pan or a roasting dish. One swap at a time is still making a big difference. Now let's talk ingredients because that's where the flavor and wellness meet. Instead of refined oils or processed fats, use cold pressed olive oil or coconut oil. And I've also found a healthy avocado oil too. I would just recommend to use the Bobby Approved app to make sure that your choice of oil is healthy. Now, swap out canned creamed soups, which are loaded with preservatives. For the homemade version, use real broth and organic whole milk. And choose organic herbs and spices whenever possible. They're richer in nutrients and free from chemical residues. Now, I'm pulling together a digital reference guide on herbs that I have in my garden. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in getting a copy of it when it comes available. I anticipate it to be around Christmas. So, now here's one of my favorite upgrades: essential oils for flavor. Now, just a drop of rosemary or basil essential oil can bring out the fresh garden taste in roasted veggies or sauces. A drop of lemon essential oil brightens up desserts, whipped cream, or even your holiday punch. Now, remember, essential oils are potent, so go light and always make sure they are food grade, like the doTERRA's certified pure tested grade oils. Now, you don't have to overhaul your whole menu. Just choose one or two dishes to upgrade. Now, try roasted sweet potatoes with a drizzle of olive oil and a drop of rosemary essential oil. So simple and so flavorful. To keep the integrity of the essential oil, just add it at the end of the cooking time. Or swap your heavy green bean casserole for a sauteed green beans with garlic, lemon essential oil, and flavored almonds. And for dessert, how about baked apples with cinnamon and a drop of doTERRA wild orange essential oil? It tastes like fall in a bowl. Now, healthy eating doesn't have to feel like sacrifice. It's about adding more goodness in, not taking the joy out. So before we wrap up, I want to remind you the holidays aren't about perfection, they're about being present. And as you prepare your meals, host your family gatherings, remember it's okay if things don't go exactly as planned. The dishes might not all be Pinterest perfect, but if your kitchen smells like love and laughter fills the room, you're doing it right. So take a deep breath, use a calming blend like Balance or Adaptive in your diffuser, and give yourself permission to slow down. Because the holidays are really about connection, everything comes second. Now, if you're ready to bring a little bit more wellness into your holiday kitchen, start small. Maybe swap one pan or try a new recipe, or add one essential oil to your cooking routine this season. And I'd love to hear from you. What's one comfort food you would love to give a healthy, toxin-free makeover to this year? So share it in the comments below, and I might even feature one of your ideas in an. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend who loves healthy homemade food as much as you do. Until next time, take care of yourself, enjoy the little moments, and remember your kitchen can be a place of healing and joy this holiday season.